She can't go to jail with you, so she's going to go with us.
I'm not going to jail.
You are going to jail.
This is a legal analysis of a Columbus Division of Police airport arrest on November 2nd, 2024. The scope is limited to controlling law, Ohio Revised Code Department directives, and federal aviation regulations.
1497. Are you traveling by yourself?
Yeah, we're on site.
I don't know what that means.
Are you traveling with anybody? Put your phone down.
Nope, I'm not putting my phone down.
Okay, you're under arrest.
No!
Yeah.
Oh my God, stop.
You're under arrest.
Stop it.
Put your bag down.
Nope, stop. No.
Put your phone down. Put your phone down. All right.
They're trying to arrest me.
All right, subject.
They're trying to arrest me right now.
You're under
I'm
arrest.
telling you. I'm not doing anything. I'm not resisting.
Yes, you are. Okay.
Charge, they resisting us.
What are you doing? Exactly.
Ma'am, you're under arrest.
For what?
Public intoxication.
Responding unit's dog's trying to bite Officer Powell, and he's trying to take her in custody. She's resisting.
So silly. This is so silly. So silly. Good girl, honey. What did you just put on me? What did you just put on me? What did you just put on me?
I got this one.
Honey! Y'all are so, like, what in the world? This is so stupid.
Hey, come! I know you hear me. Hey, you have
You gotta close it up more.
custody. Please pick up the phone so I can ask you what is going on.
There you go.
I'm concerned for her safety.
This is so crazy. Hunt! Y'all, seriously. Like, I have all of her paperwork. I have everything I need to show you. I've not done I'm not in any offense. Hunt, yep. Hunt, yep. Hunt, yep. Hunt, yep.
10:15.
Hunt, yep.
Can you hang up the phone?
Hunt. No, you're not hanging up that phone. That's my sister. You're not hanging up that phone. No.
You look like a little.
You're not hanging up that phone. That's my sister. Hunt. What the hell? Like, this is so crazy. I mean, like, seriously. Seriously.
Where's your identification at?
Well, yeah, everything's there. Oh my God. Hunt, hey, don't you touch her. Don't touch her.
She ain't going to, she's not going to jail with you, so.
If she bites, she will
I'm
be
not
killed.
going to jail.
You sure are, ma'am.
For what?
Because you're intoxicated and you're
I'm not
out here.
intoxicated.
Okay, well, you're going to jail.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Control limit.
No.
You don't get that right now.
I'm not
You're
talking
under
to you.
arrest.
What am I under arrest for?
Public intoxication. You were making a page when I walked up here. You've been pulling on the jet bridge doors. They have you on camera doing it. So
Wait, what?
you're going to jail.
Wait, hold on. Say it again.
You're going to jail?
No, before that. You said
Public intoxication. You're going to jail for it.
wait.
Public intoxication, disorderly conduct.
Oh, wow.
And more than likely resisting arrest.
Man. Listen. I know my rights, and I need to be able to contact my attorney right now.
You're not contacting your attorney right now.
Oh, I know I know my rights.
You do have rights. You are 100% correct. You do not have the right to contact them right at this moment.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't. You sure don't.
So crazy.
Yeah. Let's all get away from the dog.
Wait, stop.
Stand up.
Hey,
I put in the call
I'll
and
stay
control
there.
call
Give me a second.
call us back. So it's
Give me a second. I don't want you to pull me up.
I'm not.
I don't need to go. Hey, stop. Stop. Stop.
Nothing for you to demand.
Stop.
Okay. Just have a seat in the chair.
Take a seat in the chair.
No, stop.
There you go.
Wow. Yeah, I'm trying to slip it off. I need
Do I
these
need to go
off.
tighter for you?
No. I need you to take it off for a second so I can...
You're not doing anything.
Oh, this is so nuts.
Well, you shouldn't drink too much, and you should learn how to be an adult and control how much you
It's
drink.
like I'm not even trying to drive. I'm getting on a plane. I mean, seriously.
How long have you been at the airport today? Have you waited for your flight
I
for a long
got
time?
here at 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. What have you done since 2 o'clock?
I didn't have like anything to eat or drink.
You didn't have anything to eat or drink at the airport? So you drank a lot of alcohol before you came to the airport? Is that what you're saying?
I'm not saying that.
Okay.
Does your dog bite?
Does she bite?
Yes.
Depends.
Okay. Has she bit people before?
No.
Okay.
She nibbled at me the entire time. She did not bite.
What time was the DC flight leaving at?
That flight was supposed to leave.
Did it already leave?
Yeah, it's gone.
Yeah, that's what I figured. It doesn't see anyone else down here, so I figured it was gone.
She was the last person to board, but she just couldn't make her way down, and took her 10 minutes to try to produce the boarding pass, but she couldn't. For 10 minutes.
What time was that flight?
It was a 6:25 departure.
Okay. The flight was departed at 6:25. She just couldn't make it to the...
Apparently she was standing here with the dog, and they made multiple pages for her name, and she wouldn't board the flight. They tried to manually board her.
You have her paperwork in your bag.
Yeah, apparently she couldn't produce a boarding pass, and so they were trying to help her out and manually board her. And then she said she was going to Ghana, and they were like, yeah, you're not flying anymore. She didn't know where she was. So she was denied and started yanking on doors and making pages. And
Do not do that. Do not bring your cuffs around the front.
I'm just trying to like...
don't, they're not supposed to be comfortable.
Do not bring
They're not going to be comfortable anyway.
Correct.
Yeah, hey, Hans, hey. Good girl.
All right. So here's the plan. We're going to take her and the dog both. We're going to go downstairs. We're going to load your dog into a different car, and we're all going to go back to the station together. Okay?
There's no one that can come get the dog here.
You just told me 3
In
minutes ago.
Nashville.
You just told me.
Yeah, no, in Nashville.
You just told me there was.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
As soon as this door opens, there's stairs, so we have to go downstairs. They still have to be behind you. So please don't resist in any way going down the stairs, because I don't want to see anybody get hurt.
Ohio has no standalone public intoxication statute. Intoxication-based disturbance is prosecuted under Ohio Revised Code Section 2917.11, subsection B, disorderly conduct while voluntarily intoxicated. The statute requires either conduct likely to be offensive or alarming to persons of ordinary sensibilities, or conduct creating a risk of physical harm to the offender or others. Both prongs are satisfied. The default penalty is a minor misdemeanor enhanced to a fourth-degree misdemeanor upon persistence after warning. Resisting is charged under Section 2921.33, which prohibits recklessly or by force resisting a lawful arrest. Concurrent charges are available under Section 2921.31 for obstructing official business and Section 2911.21 for criminal trespass on the jet bridge doors. Arrest authority. Section 2935.03 authorizes Columbus officers to arrest without a warrant for any misdemeanor committed in the officer's presence. The Supreme Court affirmed the constitutionality of this practice in Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, 2001. Probable cause under Beck v. Ohio requires only facts sufficient to warrant a prudent person in believing an offense occurred. That threshold is comfortably met here. Use of force. Under Graham versus Connor, reasonableness is judged from an officer's perspective on the scene, weighing the severity of the offense, immediate threat, and active resistance. The soft, empty hand control applied here sits at the lowest level of the Columbus Division of Police Continuum under Directive 2.01. No intermediate weapons were deployed. This is textbook proportionality.
Yeah, it's on the top.
I'm not gonna hurt you, I promise.
She doesn't like strangers.
I know you
She doesn't like strangers.
That's fine, but I'm gonna have to pay her, so.
No, you're not.
Somebody is. Yeah, somebody is.
Wow. Okay, no. So no. Y'all, I'm leaving for Africa.
Not right now.
Tomorrow, at least. Maybe later.
And you want the dog to be able to go with you, right?
She is going with me. I have all of her paperwork and everything.
Then do your best to keep the dog calm.
She's not. She can't go to jail with you, so she's gonna go with us.
I'm not going to jail.
You are going to jail. You are going to jail.
What?
We explained that to you.
What? For what?
Hold on just a second and let me tell you something.
I promise.
You want the dog has to go with us.
God. Hey!
I'm trying
Stop
to put
yelling.
this on your dog.
Stop yelling.
Oh my God. Y'all, this is so.
Listen to me. Stop yelling.
No, I need to
Because
call
you're
my
going to
attorney right
agitate
now.
the dog. You're
No,
not calling
I'm
your attorney.
Yes, I am.
I already told you you're not calling your attorney.
Yes, I am.
You're really not.
Yes.
You're really not.
Oh my God. Y'all, this is so.
Stop.
You drank. You were making posts
Stand by for us.
in the airport. You were trying to open Jeffrey stores to get to secured areas.
Stop!
You're drunk in public.
Hey.
Oh
You're
my
going to jail
God.
for that.
Listen to me. Listen
Don't
to me.
make it worse.
Calm down so that you don't agitate the dog more, right? I don't want anything to happen to your dog, but we need to keep the dog as calm as possible because the dog has to get in the car. Okay? Does that make sense?
No, none of this makes sense.
Okay. I'm sorry you're not understanding, but I can't explain it any differently than that. You're going to jail. The dog has to leave this airport, and now because you told us no one's coming
You
to
don't know. You don't know. You know what? You know what? I know what started this.
Okay.
She got your hand.
Yeah, she does.
I'm listening.
Listen, I know my rights,
Yep.
and I can call my attorney right now.
Can't call him right
Yes,
now.
I can.
Nope.
Yes, I can.
We are still actively in the process of taking you into custody because you're being arrested. I would stop resisting because I will charge you.
This is so
With resistance.
crazy. Y'all are arresting me. Like, what the?
Got her.
I mean, like, are you seriously? Like,
She likes you. I'm not gonna hurt your mom.
y'all,
I promise. If I reach down there and grab it, is she gonna bite me again? It's a yes or no question.
You want to reach down and grab her lead?
If you don't want to grab it, then I'm gonna put this on her, and then I'm gonna drag her out. So I mean, it's
take this off.
Nope, it's directly
No.
underneath you.
Oh my God.
It's right under your hand right now. If you will take it, it will make this whole process easier.
This is so crazy. You guys, like, seriously. Really?
yes.
All right, we're good. Good? All right. Okay. Come on. Can you go this way? We're going to grab your stuff. We're not going to leave it. Right here.
Fine.
Nope, nope. Dude, stop calling the dog. She's getting in one of these cars. I don't care which.
So crazy. Do you know how much like this is gonna like screw up like my probation and stuff?
Well, that's not good.
It's very not good.
Yep.
It's very not good.
What are you on probation for?
So I got set up from a guy that I met at a retreat in Oregon, and
All right.
I doubt you
You should
care.
be. Your dog's in that car. You're going in this car. We're all going to the same building. All right. Just a second. I got it. All right. I'm going to seatbelt you. This is the only time you're going to get seatbelted. If you unbuckle, that's on you, okay? The seatbelt's there for your safety, okay?
Where are you taking my dog?
She's gonna go to our station with our canine units. for right now.
All right, so she had all the paperwork. I'm assuming y'all are going to need a copy of that.
Oh, okay.
So she was traveling out of country, so the dog has all of its vaccines.
Oh, okay.
One of my canine officers was the one who went and got it and loaded it into his car and brought it to the kennel. And I had him double check the paperwork because I don't know what I'm looking at.
Do you understand how this is?
I understand you feel that way. Yep.
Anyway, I'm looking for all stuff.
Yeah, your bag's up front. I've got your medicine, your phone, your wallet, all right here. I've got it in your hat. So we're gonna walk towards that door on the far side.
Wait.
And it'll be going to our station, and you have the address of where to pick it up in the morning, because they won't take bags. It says it on the door right over here, but they don't take backpacks.
Flight is supposed to be like...
Flight's already gone, like an hour gone.
I know.
It's probably already in DC.
I know.
Back up. Hold on. I didn't tell you to come through yet. Have you been exposed to COVID the last 14 days?
What's COVID?
If you don't know, you're good.
I don't.
Any chance you're pregnant?
I feel like it.
Alright, come step on this black mat for me, please. Thanks, Gary.
Right to counsel. The subject's demand to call her attorney during the arrest reflects a widespread misconception. The Sixth Amendment right does not attach until adversary judicial proceedings begin. Kirby v. Illinois 1972 applied in Ohio through State v. Milligan. The Miranda-based right attaches only to custodial interrogation. Because no interrogation was occurring, no right was violated when officers instructed her to end the call. Federal Aviation Overlay. The attempt to force jet bridge doors implicates Title 49 Code of Federal Regulations, Part 1540, Civil Aviation Security. Unauthorized access to a sterile area or air operations area is a federal regulatory violation, independent of the state charges. Dog owner liability. Ohio Revised Code Section 955.28 imposes strict civil liability on the owner of a dog that injures another. The bitten officer may pursue civil recovery independent of any criminal prosecution. Probation exposure. The subject's admission of active Oregon probation triggers Gagnon v. Scarpelli. A revocation hearing requires only a preponderance of the evidence, a substantially lower threshold than the criminal case. Even dismissal of the Ohio charges would not necessarily prevent revocation. Grades. The Columbus Division of Police Officers receive a B+. The arrest was legally supported, force was proportional, and coordination with the K-9 unit prevented escalation. Deductions reflect unprofessional editorializing on body-worn cameras, specifically the remark that the subject should learn how to be an adult, which creates unnecessary Section 1983 civil exposure. The subject receives a D. She was entitled to remain silent and to be free from unreasonable force. She exercised neither. Her volunteered admissions materially harm every defense theory. Lessons learned. First, the right to remain silent is not automatic. It must be affirmatively invoked, and continued speech after arrest almost always worsens the legal position. Second, demanding a lawyer right now during a physical arrest is not a legal right. The right attaches at interrogation, not at handcuffing. Third, for officers, every editorial comment on body-worn camera lives forever and can be introduced in civil litigation. Tactical discipline includes verbal discipline. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.